So I will teach you how to set up the small welding equipment or stick welding equipment or welding machine. So of course, first it must be attached to a power source. So in this case, our power source is the circuit breaker. And first, of course, we have to turn on the circuit breaker like that. Okay? And after that, of course, we will turn on the machine. We will switch on the welding machine like this, so that it will turn on. And then, second is we will set the current. So this is to adjust the amperage of our welding machine. So if you want to increase the amperage, just rotate it clockwise like this. Okay, so that is around 120 amperes. And if you want to decrease it, just rotate it counterclockwise like that. Okay, anyway, the size of your electrode and the thickness of your metal plate will determine the current setting of your welding machine. And of course, we have the welding cables. So we will attach it to the workpiece. The grounding clamp. This is the grounding clamp. We will attach it to the workpiece. And then the electrode holder, of course, we will put here the welding electrode. Okay, so welding electrode, we will put it here. Notice the slots in the electrode holder. You can position it straight like this one, or it could be like this one, or slanted like this, or on the other side like that. Or if you want it to weld like this one, it can also be. So, but I am most comfortable in positioning it like this. Okay, so let's try it.